Arrive in style with this 2012 Subaru Forester. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are direct ignition system, 4-speed electronic direct control automatic transmission, symmetrical all-wheel drive, double wishbone suspension, PWR assisted steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 17 inches alloy wheels, panoramic PWR moonroof, black finish roof rails and fog lights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.